A poor farmer lived in a village. There had been no rain for 2-3 years, due to which all the land there had dried up. The farmer was very sad because he was not able to grow any crop on his land. It was winter season. Today the farmer was resting under a tree. Then he saw a snake there. The snake was sitting with its hood spread. A thought came to the farmer's mind. This snake has been living here for many years. It has also been found in this drought during this time. The snake will have trouble finding food like me. Then the poor farmer decided in his mind that he will feed a bowl of milk to the snake every day. The very next day, the farmer brought a bowl of milk and kept it near the snake's hole and said, "O king of snakes, I salute you. I never noticed that you also live here. I am troubled due to drought and I think you must be facing trouble too. So from now on I will feed you a bowl of milk every day." Saying this, the farmer left the bowl there and went away. The next morning when he came back to take the bowl, he saw that something was shining in the bowl. The farmer picked up the bowl and saw that there was a gold coin inside it. Then the farmer would feed a bowl of milk to the snake every day, and the next morning he would get a gold coin every day. One day the farmer had to go to the city for some work, and he entrusted this responsibility to his son. He told his son to carefully place a bowl of milk near the snake's hole. The farmer's son did as his father told and placed a bowl of milk near the snake's hole. The next morning he also found a gold coin. His son thought that this snake is very miserly. He must have a lot of gold coins. But he gives only one coin every day. If I kill him, I can take all his gold coins. The next evening when the boy went to deliver milk, he saw the snake and attacked it with a stick, but the snake-to-earth snake got hit by the stick, but it also bit the farmer's son. The snake's venom was very poisonous. Soon the farmer's son died and the injured snake went back to its hole. When the farmer returned, he came to know about his son's death. He was very sad and angry and went to the snake's hole to kill it. Then he saw that the snake was also badly injured. On seeing it, he understood that his son must have attacked the snake. He understood that the situation must have been such that the snake must have bitten his son. He folded his hands and apologized to the snake and asked the snake to bring his son back. After a while, the snake went into its hole, came out and gave the farmer a herb. The poor farmer took the herb and went to his dead son. He kept the herb near her nose. After a while his son stood up coughing. After coming back to life, the farmer's son realized his mistake. He went to the snake's hole with his father and apologized to him with folded hands and said, "Oh Nagraj, please forgive me. Now I will not attack any animal, bird or beast. Please forgive me." The snake also shook its head happily and went back to its hole.